Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. Hope you are having a great day today. I am getting ready to clean my bedroom, but I'm also cleaning the rest of the house. I did not put it in this video. I have another video coming up to share that with you, but today the focus is going to be my bedroom. Considering my bachelor chest just came in, I want to see how everything is going to be situated in the room. Not only am I going to be cleaning, but I'm going to be doing just a tiny bit of decorating. So I hope you guys enjoy. Before I start cleaning, of course, I'm going to go ahead and play some music from my playlist on YouTube, so that way cleaning doesn't seem like such a chore.
Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes, don't let it fall on me. Say you're a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how rewind when we rewind.
First things first, you guys, I'm starting with my bed. I actually washed my sheets yesterday, and so last night I put them on. You can always tell when my little one gets in the bed with me because I have to make the entire bed, which I really do hate. I like sleeping in my little corner and just cleaning that area of the bed. It's not the most comfortable sleeping position, but it definitely speeds up the morning prep time of trying to get everything situated. If you guys are interested, this right here is the alternative down comforter, you guys. It is absolutely amazing. It is from the company store. I will leave it in the description box down below. If you guys are interested, you can see that. But I'm going to go ahead and make the bed, add the pillows, and do all of that stuff.
We time, you I know how to make me feel right. I can't help how this sweet talk. I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk. You need to say let's convey. No need for no flowers, babe. I'm already.
So I really do love the entire house, but I have to say the master bedroom for me is just such a vibe. And the more pieces that come in and the more that I do in the house, I'm like, the bedroom is like my place. The fireplace, the rug, the floors, like the paint color. I know right now on camera it looks very a la blanche, but it's not. It is a forest white, which is like a bluish green color. But you guys, I really do love my bedroom. I spend a lot, and I do mean a lot of time in here, which is why I knew that I wanted to make a little bit of a better investment, so that way things wouldn't look so like heavily used, even though I'm in here quite a bit. But now that I'm done, I'm gonna go ahead and move on to vacuuming. For that, I am using my LG cordless vacuum, guys. Vacuum is absolutely amazing. It has two settings. It has a chamber to grab the trash, and it has a second battery. So you get almost 2 hours of cleaning with this vacuum. Again, I have about 3 of them in the house. One I bought. You guys know that I had a collaboration with the company a few months ago. I'm really loving my vacuum. It's Christmas. If you know someone that needs a vacuum, this is definitely the one to grab up. I'm going to go ahead and open up the shutters, let a little bit more light come inside of the room, take a quick pan at what needs to be done, and I figured out fairly quickly that I need to do the measurements for my bachelor chest. If you guys don't know, I do this with most of my furniture in terms of like the bedside tables. I go to the glass store here in Savannah. All you have to do is Google it in your area, and I take the brown paper and I go and I have them measure. Later on in the video, I'll get a little bit more in detail with it. So if you guys are interested, you'll have that information. And then of course, once the cut glass comes in, I'll talk about that also. But right now, what I'm doing is the tracing process.
Hard working every day, I'm stressed out 24/7, babe. No timeouts. Wish we could fly away. You and I go to our favorite place. Oh yeah, yeah. Make special memories. taking away, yeah, we're taking away. Don't hesitate now, we're taking away, yeah, we're taking away. We'll never come down, we're going away, yeah, we're going away, you and me. Feeling the sun on my face in Hawaii. Never come down low, running from a ghost town where we never feel high, just low. We won't ever come down, we won't ever come down low. Feeling the sun on my face in Hawaii. With you, Hawaii. With you, Hawaii. With you, Hawaii. In Hawaii. We won't ever come down, we won't ever come down low. Running from a ghost town where we never feel high, just low. We won't ever come.
Now that I'm done with the tracing, what I'm going to be doing is adding everything back on top of the bachelor chest. And you guys, it is official. I am going to be cutting the price off the lamp. This is long overdue, but what I like to do is to really test everything out before I officially try it. I'm also removing the tape off the wall for the bed. I know there was a little bit of concern about the picture box frames being covered once the bed comes. It's going to be covered, but not 100%. Also, what I'm doing is trying out some of the decor. I know I said I wasn't going to be placing any items on top of the bachelor chest, but what I'm doing right now is placing items that aren't going to scratch the surface. And honestly, I want to see how everything looks on top of the bachelor chest. So if I do need to order some extra pieces here and there, I will know what I need to order. That way I won't be waiting so long. I really want to get to a point where once the bed comes, everything is done, because there's nothing else that's going to be going into this room. I can actually say like this room is going to be finished. Of course, once the drapery goes in, I'll be able to say I'm finished, but I want to go ahead and just test everything out. That way I know if I need to order anything, I can go ahead and order it. So that way this room can come to a close. But you guys, I am so excited about my bachelor chest. It looks so good. I know there was a concern about it being a little too big for the space, but honestly, once you guys see the size in reference to the bed, I feel like it'll make a little bit more sense. Also, I think it's always hard to see the actual space and how big it is in comparison to what it looks like on picture and on video than what it actually looks like in person. So I will say take that into consideration.
We won't ever come down low.
All right, you guys, I don't know if it's gonna stay like this, but currently this is how I have this bachelor chest set up. I'm going to see if I can find something that can kind of sit on the side here, so I could just put the charger on there or something on top. But I do like this. This is the console table, which it is much lighter, not so heavy. And then here is this bachelor chest. And I do want to do like a little small box, which I'm gonna have to order. Right now I'm just trying to put everything on top to see what I need and what I don't need, like what's missing. I am going to order another set of coasters, which I have a set there, and you see I have one there, so if I'm drinking something. But I'm not really too bothered about the coasters because the glass is gonna get cut, which is what I was just tracing. I'm gonna go over that really quickly for those of you guys that are new, but I do like that it's just really light. You guys, I am done cleaning. Not only did I clean my room, but I went around and cleaned everything. The only thing that's not clean right now, and I wouldn't necessarily say it's not clean, is like my closet. And I don't even want to say it's not clean because it's cleaned. I have some clothes that I have to put up, and from the bag haul that I did, that stuff is still all the bags are still out and not in their place. So the reason why I'm sitting down is because I wanted to touch base one more time about what I was doing with the brown paper. So there goes the brown paper right there. I purchased the brown paper from Home Depot. I always keep a roll in the house because I use it to paint. I use it sometimes if I'm like spraying the fridge or the dishwasher with that greasy spray, so that way it doesn't land on the floor. When it comes to cutting the glass on top of the furniture, I also have that. I actually just got back from the glass store here in Savannah, and I don't think I'm gonna get the glass back in a week. I'll probably get it back in 2 weeks because the actual stain that I want, which I'll share here really shortly, they have to order it, and she said that's been taking a little bit of time, of course, due to COVID. But tonight I'm also gonna go online and shop some accessories. I put some stuff on top. You guys seen it. I don't know if it's gonna stay like that. I'm just kind of playing and tweaking around, but I do like the fact that this table isn't as heavy anymore. So if you're interested in having some cut of glass on top of your furniture, I would highly recommend getting on your computer, getting on your phone, and Googling a glass company. I'm gonna go ahead and share with you guys some of the glass, okay? What happened is I was getting different stains, which you guys are going to see it. And so one day I went, maybe after like 2 years of going over there, and she said, hey, you're always looking for glass and stuff. I have some remnants. Would you like for me just to cut you some small samples? That way you don't have to come and keep driving back and forth. I was like, heck yeah, that'd be amazing. Because I honestly thought I forgot I had these, and I was like, dang, I gotta go get the glass. But anywho, so this is the first piece, which is your clear cut glass. This is really good, again, if you want to put it on top of your nightstand, if you have a coffee table, a dining table, and you just want to protect it. That way you can have coffee, you can have your drinks, especially if you know, like for me, I like bottles of water. Bottles of water tend to sweat, okay? This one here is the gray. It almost looks black. If I'm not mistaken, have I ever used this one? I don't know. I wonder if it's this, I'm thinking that this is at the other house, but I'm not 100% sure because the ones that, see, these are brown. The ones at the other house was more of a gray tone. So this might be at the other house. I'm not 100% sure. I don't remember. And then this right here is the one that I'm going to be getting for my bachelor chest. My bachelor chest has a little bit of gray, but it's more of the undertone. It's more of a brown, kind of matches my floor, which I really do love. I could do this or I could do the clear. Now, she said she's gonna call me tomorrow to find out how much. As long as it's under, I'll say like 150, I'll do the brown. But if it's like more, then I'll probably just do the clear, because I think the clear is not, it might be like 60 bucks for the cut. I'm not sure. Okay. And then you have this one here, which is the opaque. This is really good for storefronts if you don't want no one to see like all the way inside of your business. I've seen this done with showers. These are pretty much all the samples, and like I said, after going there for about 2 years, just getting different things cut, this is the same place that I went to get the glass cut in the closet. If you guys remember, the middle unit had all wood shelving, and I took all the wood out, and then I had all that done. I want to say it was about $500 or something like that to get all that glass cut. But again, it's been a minute since I've gotten glass cut like that. But these are the samples. Absolutely love it. You can see it a little bit better here. I'm trying to get the shutters not to have a glare on it. But again, just Google the information. I'm going to go ahead and lay down, you guys, because I'm not going to lie. I'm exhausted. It's been a long day. I have a photo shoot tomorrow. I think I mentioned that I hired a photographer. I'm trying to like make my Instagram be all pretty and everything. It's always good to try to find someone who is creative. And so I've been on the hunt for someone who can bring some ideas, because sometimes, y'all, my brain just be on shutdown mode and I still have to create content. Like, if you don't know, it's recommended that you post or put something out every day. Clearly I don't do that, but I do try at least to do like every other day. So I'm trying to find, well, I don't know if he's gonna be permanent, but I'm trying to find a photographer, at least 2 to 3 that I can work with, maybe twice a month. Try to do at least 30 days of content. so that way I can have my stuff planned. So my plan for 2021 is to be like extremely intentional. You guys, that is pretty much it. I will see you guys next time. Anytime I get sleepy, I get to babbling. So let me go lay myself down because she's exhausted. It's been a long day. Before I go, let me just say thank you so very much. If you don't follow me on Instagram, go ahead and follow me on Instagram. I post pretty funny videos on Instagram. At least I think they're hilarious. Oh gosh, it's getting dark outside. I'm gonna turn around. I'm gonna light my Christmas tree. I haven't plugged my Christmas tree. The ones downstairs have been plugged because they're downstairs, but I haven't plugged this one. Y'all, the power bill be tripping like $400. I don't know what I was thinking putting all these trees up in this house, honey, because I was like, I feel like the light bill is more than it was at the other house. And that's a bigger house. I don't think the power company likes me. All right, so let me show you guys my thing. So like on my Instagram, I do reel videos and stuff like that. Yeah, I do these reels and stuff on my Instagram, so I'm excited. Anyway, you guys, let me turn the camera around so you guys can get to see this view that I'm about to experience in like 10 minutes. You guys, I really love this. So this is pretty much my view. And what I normally do is run me a nice hot shower and light my candle. And once that's done, I then get in the bed and play some soft and quiet music. But this is what I get to look at. I don't even know if you guys can really see the water moving, but it's so soothing. But I leave this side of the shutters open so that way I can see all of that. And let me tell you, when the moon is out, it is absolutely gorgeous. It is absolutely gorgeous. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Have an absolutely amazing day, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.